Dear students, I am extremely happy that you have been a good response to seeing different kind of videos regarding to the electricity. Your senior students are also subscribe this channel and saw the videos regarding to the electrostatics. Now today we have to discuss how the electric field is related to the electric potential. Now we have to relate how the electric field is related to the electric potential. Let us consider this is a positive charge which is placed at O, and it is the electric field of this charge. Now A and V are two field points inside the field of charge Q. The direction of the electric field is along this, whereas a test charge is placed at point A and we want to displace that test charge from A to B, and the displacement is dr, and it obviously the electric field opposing the charge to move from A to B. So we have to apply outside force against that electric field to displacing the charge from A to B. So there is a small work has to be done for that displacement. As we know that from the definition of work, the dot product of force and displacement is your work. So here dW equal to F vector dot dr vector, because the displacement here becomes extremely small. And the force applied along the direction of this displacement. As we know that E vector equal to F vector by Q vector, it is we know from definition of electric field intensity. Now cross multiply E vector dot Q equal to F vector. Use this formula, use this value in the equation. dW, just a minute, use this value in this equation, E vector dot Q dr. In place of F we are putting this value. Q टा जेहेतु स्केलर ताको आगो को आइली हेरी Q into E vector dot dr vector खोलिली Q E dr into cos 180 degree. Cos 180 degree because the electric field is along this direction, whereas the displacement is along this direction. So here theta equal to 180 degree. So I have to put this value dw equal to minus 180 degree cos 180 degree q 0 into e cos 180 degree मूल्य है माइनस 1 ताकू पकेली dw ए q0 या तलू को आइली इक्वल टू माइनस e into dr. According to definition of potential difference, dv equal to dw by q0. So in place of that dw by q0 I have applied dv. dv equal to minus e into dr. E equal to minus dv by dr, where this dv by dr is called potential gradient. That means how the potential have to change with respect to distance. That is called your potential gradient. Hence the electric field is negative of change of potential with respect to distance. This thing is represented by potential gradient. So electric field is negative of potential gradient. So we have to get two formulas. One, E equal to F by Q0, that is electric field intensity formula. And here today we have to discuss that electric field is relating with electric potential through that formula E equal to minus dV by dr. So these two formulas are very important for explaining the electric field in different way. Now we have to go into the special cases. As we know that E equal to minus dV by dr. The question arises whether it is applicable to only uniform electric field. No. It is applied, it is satisfied to both uniform as well as non-uniform electric field both. ये जो केसटा एटा इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड बोथ यूनिफॉर्म एवं नॉन यूनिफॉर्म पाई काम करिवो. SI unit of electric field जो कथा कहली E equal to F by Q0, that is Newton by Coulomb. But from this relation we have to find out another unit of electric field E equal to minus dV by dr, that equal to volt by meter. In vector form you also represent this formula. Electric potential is a scalar quantity, we know it before. But from this equation we can represent that electric field in terms of vector quantity. Here E is vector, where R is vector, but V equal to potential. Potential is scalar. In spite of potential is scalar, the potential gradient is a vector quantity. How I have to represent that in through that equation? I have to give a simple question. Please do that question, and I hope that you understand this clearly. In future, in future, not in 1 to 2 days, in next, I have to discuss how the electrostatic properties of conductor works, and also discussed equipotential surfaces and its properties. After these two, your potential have to finished. Potential chapter, second chapter have to get finished. Thank you. We meet next.